Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Today we have a video for those who are on a budget. So you might ask a question. You have a camera right here, and the only way to record videos in the camera is to use a full-size SD card, but you don't have a full-size SD card. You have actually a micro SD card that you actually use at your phone, or maybe that comes with your phone, when you buy a new phone. So what would you do? There is a way actually. So when you buy a ScanDisk microSD card, you get an adapter just like this. So this is an adapter for microSD card that actually can work, and we can use, instead of buying a new full microSD card that have 64 gigabytes, it's quite expensive, a little bit expensive, more than the microSD card, of course. To get a microSD card, install it here, and then you install it in your camera. Simply, and bam, you get yourself a 128 gigabytes of storage here in the camera you can shoot with. Once you finish, you simply take it out, put it on your phone, or if you have a laptop with a micro SD card, you can put it in a micro SD card, or you have a laptop with a full SD card, you have the adapter that can work with it. Pretty simple method for you if you're on a budget, or you have some micro SD card laying around without using it or anything. So instead of buying a new SD card, you get it when you get an SD. You get it when you buy an ScanDisk. Make sure that ScanDisk that you buy it comes with an adapter, or maybe you can get the small, maybe an adapter very cheap. It's very cheap, so it's not going to cost you anything. But this is a way for you to transfer, if you're using it in a micro SD card, for your using your camera. And then especially if you are a person who edit videos in the phone, you can use the micro SD card straight away in your phone once you shoot with the camera, and you can edit. So yeah, that's a quick video for you for saving your money. See you guys later.